Hello, YouTube. Rick Vera checking in from Briarville, the repair and restoration shop at Joe Case Pipes. Smoking my Eric Nording freehand, probably my absolute favorite pipe in the collection, and certainly a great shop pipe. Inside my shop pipe is Delta Mojo. With Joe Case giving me a bad time, slumming over here to Briarville, which is the Joe Case Pipes East, having to use the sandblaster.
Just had some of Rick's coffee.
Oh, I can't stand Starbucks. I can't stand it. And he brings it over every time. No, God. My friends, do you see what I deal with? I do it so you don't have to. But there's a reason for this nonsense, I promise. And what it is a YABO. Not only just any YABO, an eBay YABO. Yep, broke down, bought one, not for resale, but this one's for me. Found a great deal on a Ropp Cherrywood pipe. Anyway, let's attack this box with this.
Cub Scout knife?
No, it's some piece of crap made in China I picked up at a truck stop someplace.
You don't drink Starbucks?
And I don't drink Starbucks. But I will have a sip of mine. Yeah. All right. Here we go. Here. I haven't seen this either. The guy, I think it was Dan in Denver, was the seller on this. He sent me a message and said he appreciated feedback. And I messaged him back and I said, well, you'll get it. 400 subscribers are going to know all about Dan in Denver. I think that's who it was. We'll make sure. If it's a piece of, yeah, let's find out. Here we go. That's the thing with eBay pipes. I mean, it's always a bit of a risk.
You got toenail sharper than that knife.
Yeah, that's my wife says. My wife says I have toenails sharper than my knife. Oh, well, kudos for Dan so far. He's wrapped it well. Yeah, look at this. Look at this. Don't get any ideas, fellas. Ah. You may see this in a customer's pipe. Okay, let's see what it says here. Oh, okay, it's San in Denver. San, S-A-N, the letter N, and then Denver. Thank you for your purchase. I appreciate your business. I hope to work with you again. I don't anticipate any problems. However, please contact me with any questions. Please leave feedback once you receive the item, and I'll do the same. Dan, I'm giving you your feedback right now to about 400 others. So let's do the unveiling. I will give him credit. He has absolutely packed this brilliantly, even in a little baggie. And let's have a look. My first look as well. Oh yeah. Dan, you did well. I got a great deal on this pipe. The stamping is good. No cracks. A lot of times in these cherrywoods, these stems from being smoked, and the cherrywood will expand a lot faster than briar, and contract a lot faster than briar, and which is a lot of the reason why these pipes will crack. And briar is being the best wood out, but these cherrywoods are reported to smoke very sweet, very nice. I love the rustic look for the Briarville kind of theme here, and stem is in great shape. Very nice. Stamping's good. The Ropp logo is clearly seen in the inlay. You can see that. Not a lot of chatter, no chatter on the stem. This will clean up superb, which I'm going to get to directly and smoke this thing. In San and Denver on eBay, you got my recommendation. You represented this pipe very well. It's exactly what you said it was. Shipped magnificently. Kind of puts me to shame, embarrasses me a little bit. And quick, got it in 2 days. I think I bought this, well, 3 days. I purchased it late Sunday night. And other than a cleaning that it will get directly, this pipe is fabulous. Okay, we're over here at the buffing wheel. We've broken down the pipe to where the stem is removed from the shank. Now the reason, and I'm speculating here, the reason why they sold this pipe is because that draft hole was incredibly well, quite honestly, wasn't drilled very well. It was a little off, and they just weren't getting the smoking pleasure out of it because it was probably caving their head in trying to draw this thing to get smoke, which is why it's so lightly smoked. I don't know, you can't see inside the bowl. I did do a ream on that. Maybe you can. Can never tell until these are done and I'm looking at them on the computer. Buy a good camera. Buy a good camera. Anyway, so what I did is I re-drilled the shank and improved the draft hole, bored it out, or reamed the bowl, and now I've just been kind of buffing it up on the using the Tripoli wheel, and I've added some stain on the actually it's a wax substance that will bring out the stamping. Your pipes come in here with good stamping, they'll always come out with them looking better by using the inlay dye that I use for bringing the stamping back to life. So I'll quickly get through this. We'll do a final buff with some carnauba wax, because this cherrywood is taking all of this very well, and it is really coming out to be a gorgeous pipe, y'all. Get some carnauba. And a quick buff of carnauba on there, just to protect it and to shine it up a little bit. Oh yeah, this thing is just absolutely gorgeous. This is just beautiful, y'all. Whoop. Yeah. Here's the stem. It needs one final buff. Bring out that inlay. You buff the stem on the Tripoli wheel. They don't need carnauba. So let's put it together and see how she looks. And there you have it. I guess time-wise in this thing for the reaming and re-drilling the draft and cleaning the stem, buffing out the stem. Look at how well the inlay looks on this. It's reamed out. That rim just absolutely perfect. I guess all in all, I got about an hour into this. And you're sanitizing. Draws real well. So what do you say we go over here and I'll get back to where we're supposed to be. And give it the old virgin smoke from a newly refurbished, or at least sanitized, eBay pipe. Look at that, man, that is just awesome pipe. I'm really happy with this, can you tell? Anyway, the proof is always in the pudding. Alright, Case, what'd you do with the tobacco?
Yes, sir, Mr. Farrell. Here's your tobacco. Here it is.
Delta Mojo does weird stuff to you. Alright, well, we'll put some in there. Nice big old bowl. And I gotta go over to Big Star. I'm about out of baccy. Oh, speaking of which, they've been talking about for that contest doing a backy bomb, which will be a sampling, a rather large sampling of all of their custom blends over there to the winners. So make sure you do a video response to the contest video, the one earlier. Oh, this packed out nice. Alright, here it is. The Maiden Smoke. I love these pipes. I've got PAD more than you guys will ever know. Still taste the sanitation. That'll go away by this bowl, when this bowl settles down. We'll use a lot of alcohol. A little bit of fuzz from the buffing wheel on it. Folks, this pipe is going to be fabulous. I can already tell right now, smoke's cool. Very, very lightweight. You want to try it?
Thanks, bro. I appreciate
it. Anyway, I'm going to go wrestle Joe to get my pipe back, and thanks for watching. From Joe Case Pipes, this is Briarville Rick. Peace out.